are a few signs that you may need new tires. First, if there are obvious visual signs of a low or flat tire. If you're experiencing a loss of tire pressure or PSI at a rate of 1 or more PSI per month, this will more than likely only get worse over time. Another reason to replace a tire is if it has a thinning tread. That's when the surfaces that help your tire grip are worn down, with the edges and tread becoming smoothed over. The tire may hold pressure just fine, but the loss of traction and thinning tire surface can become a safety concern. And lastly, visible cracks caused by age and environment can cause pressure loss as well as become unsafe for driving. It's also important to know when you may need to get your tires balanced. If your vehicle begins vibrating at certain speeds, emits an odd hum as you accelerate, or the steering wheel begins to vibrate as your speed increases, you may be dealing with unbalanced tires. If this is the case, bring your car in for a service or inspection, as it may lead to tire wear or become a safety concern. So if you want your tires done right, use genuine Mercedes-Benz original tires and service at a Mercedes-Benz dealership.